Both Articles 201B subsection 2 and 202 subsection 1 establish the principle that revenue raised nationally shall be shared equitably among the national and county government, and hence this was the idea I believe the Kenyans wanted in appointing an independent controller of the budget. Now, coming to the office of the Auditor General, if Kenya were to be a company, irrespective of the three arms of government, the Kenyan governance would not pass international recognition without an independent office of the Auditor General. Associations of Auditor Generals is one that is recognized at the UN as INTOSAI, notably the International Organization of Supreme Audit Institutions. Kenya can do away with certain Chapter 15 institutions, but not the Office of the Auditor General. Indeed, UN Resolution A66209, to which Kenya is a signatory, highlights the importance of independent and effective Office of the Auditor General for improved governance, as well as promoting the efficiency, accountability, effectiveness, and transparency of public administration and strengthening the institutions. It is very important that the independence of this office be ensured given endemic corruption in many African countries, including Kenya. For the Office of the Auditor General to be independent, it will depend on the person of the Auditor General. I repeat, on the person of the Auditor General. While in office, the independence of that person is ensured by provision of good salary, security, and other amenities.